Hello everyone, welcome back to your daily practice with Devi Daily Yoga, and welcome to this full body stretch to release stress and tension. To begin, come into child's pose with your knees wide and your feet together. Starting the practice here with slow, deep breaths. Keeping your knees wide, come into a twisted child's pose, threading your left arm under your right and twisting your upper spine. Release and switch sides, threading your right arm under your left this time. Untwist and rise up to hands and knees, coming into table pose. Beginning cat-cow, arch your back as you inhale and gaze forward. Round your spine and tuck your chin with an exhale. Continue alternating arching and rounding your spine and moving with your breath. Now return to table and come into puppy, placing your hands in front of you and releasing your heart toward the floor until you feel a stretch in your shoulders. Breathe here. Release and come into downward dog. Tuck your toes, lift your hips. Start walking out your legs, bending one knee at a time. Walk your feet to the front of your mat to come into standing forward bend. Hold opposite elbows and feel your spine decompress as you sway gently from right to left. Come back to center and come into half forward fold. Release your arms, place your hands on your shins, lift your chest and draw your shoulders back. Gaze forward and release back down. 2 more times. Last time. Step your left leg back to a lunge. Drop your back knee to the floor and untuck your toes. Place your right hand on your knee, coming into half crescent, reaching your left arm up to the sky and gazing up. Release into prayer twist, placing your left elbow across your knee and your palms together as you twist to your right. Untwist and draw your hips back for half monkey pose. Straighten your front leg, soften toward the leg, and feel the stretch in the back of your right hamstrings. Release and return to low lunge. Tuck your back toes for high lunge and take a big step forward to the front of your mat. Lift to half forward fold as you inhale. Relax back down as you exhale. Step your right leg back to a lunge. Drop your back knee, untuck your back toes, and place your left hand on your knee for half crescent, reaching your right arm up to the sky and gazing up. Release into prayer twist, placing your right elbow across your knee and your palms together as you twist to your left. Untwist and draw your hips back for half monkey pose. Straighten the front leg, draw your toes back, and soften down, feeling the stretch in the back of your left thigh. Release and return to high lunge. Step forward to the top of your mat for hanging forward bend. Hanging down through your head, your spine, and your arms. Heel toe your feet out to either edge of your mat and come into a wide-legged squat. Heels either hovering above the floor or resting down, whatever feels best. Shift your weight side to side from right foot to left foot. It might feel good to open it up into a twist on each side, reaching one arm up and back and then the other. When you're ready, return to center, coming all the way onto your back, resting on the floor and drawing your knees in. Circle your knees in a clockwise direction a few times slowly, feeling the stretch in your low back. And switch, circling the other way. Come back to center and come into figure 4, placing your left ankle over your right knee and drawing the legs in until you feel a stretch in your left buttock. Release and switch sides, placing your right ankle over your left knee. And take a few breaths. Release and stretch your whole body long on your mat, interlacing the fingers and pressing the palms up and away. Come into happy baby pose, reach down and hold the bottoms of your feet, turning the feet up to the sky. Option to keep your knees bent or extend your legs one at a time or both at the same time, letting yourself explore what feels good. Release and roll onto your side to gently come up to a cross-legged seat. Sit up tall and inhale as you sweep your arms overhead. Exhale to one side. Inhale to center. Exhale to the other side. Return to center and now take a twist to one side. And twist to the other side. Return to center, reaching up and placing your palms together overhead, drawing them down in front of your heart. And that's it for today's full body yoga stretch. Thank yourself for taking this time of self-care today. Thank you for practicing with Devi Daily Yoga. I'll see you on the mat again soon. Namaste.